Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nurul Fitriany. I'm postgraduate student in English Education Department, class of 20 and 21, Tadulako University. Well, if you are interested with a video like this, then please give it thumbs up and click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to receive the notification when I upload more video like this. Also, let me know the comment below what the biggest problem that you are facing right now as an English language teacher, and maybe I can use your idea for my next YouTube video. Well, today I would like to talk about approach, methods, and technique of language teaching. In the teaching learning process, we need to understand some concepts that are very common about definition of approach, methods, and techniques itself. Based on English language teaching terminology, teaching approach is an overview which applies in the learning for all the kinds of learner. Based on Richard and Roger definition, approach is belief, assumption, and the nature of learning. It is a set of principles, beliefs, and ideas about nature of learning which is translated into the classroom. An approach refers to general assumption about what language is and how learning a language occurs. Approach are the philosophy of teacher about language teaching that can be applied into the classroom by using different technique of language learning itself. In other words, language teaching approach describe the nature of language. There are three examples or three types of nature of language itself. They are behaviorism, nativism, and constructivism. Behaviorism are stimulus, response, reinforcement, drilling, exercise, and repetition. Then nativism. Nativism is a child has naturally language acquisition device, and constructivism is child acquire a language through interaction between the child and environment. The next one is language teaching method. A method based on Richard and Roger was an umbrella term for the specification and interrelation between theory and practice. In the 17th century, the first attempt method came from Johann Comenius with Comenius method. In the 19th century, the interest in the analysis of vernacular, such as grammar, grammar school, and grammarian, favor one method was grammar translation method. In the early 19th century, the direct method, also known as the nature method, and language teaching method is developing till now. They are reading method, audiolingual method, oral situational from Britain, suggestopedia, the silent way, communicative language teaching or CLT, communicative language learning or CLL, task-based language teaching, and many more methods in case till now. A teaching method is a practical implementation of an approach. It is a theory put into practice at the level of the method. Any method shapes teacher own understanding, belief, style, level of experience, because teacher should be professional to make their own class of using method in the implementation of learning and teaching process. In generally, a teaching method means the systematic way of teaching and learning process. It is more procedural than the theory before. Well, the last one is language teaching technique. Teaching technique is strategy that we use to provide students with effective instruction by method. It is implementation of language teaching method. For example, the principle of grammar translation method are organized by some techniques. They are translation, literally passage, 2. Reading comprehension question. The next one is antonym or synonyms. The next one is cognates, deductive application of rules, fill in the blank, memorization, use word in sentence, and composition. Then, there are some techniques of the direct method can adopt to our own language teaching process. They are reading aloud, question and answer exercise, getting students to self-correct, conversation practice, dictation, map drawing, and paragraph writing. In generally, language teaching technique is a way of implementation of language teaching method. Well, my conclusion of this topic today, it is important to us as a teacher to be informed about what exactly each of these terms means. An approach is the theory of language learning, and method is actual implementation of method. This is a theory put into the practice. And the last one is technique, are the personal strategies that used in order to provide students with effective instruction. Finally, that's all from me. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. Thank you very much for your time and your attention. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.